Hello friends, welcome to Naresh IT. This is Srinivas. Now today let us discuss one important technique to multiply two numbers. Now the question is how to multiply two numbers which have unit digits as 1. Now as far as written test is concerned in aptitude, it's not about solving a problem, it's about how quickly you solve a problem that matters. So in calculation part, multiplication plays a very major role. Now today let us discuss how to multiply two numbers which have unit digits as 1 in a very simple way. Now let's start with a very small example. Suppose we need to multiply 31 into 21. Now there are many ways to multiply. Now see the simplest way. Multiply the unit digits 1 into 1. 1. Now the digits before 1, 3 and 2, add them. 3 plus 2, 5. Now the same 3 and 2 you multiply. 3 into 2, 6. So the answer is 651. Now let's take one more example quickly and let us try to answer. 41 into 31. 1 into 1, 1, 4 plus 3, 7, 4 into 3, 12. Like this, we can multiply two numbers whose unit digit is 1. Let's take a bigger number. Suppose I need to multiply 131 with 21. Same method we are going to follow. 1 into 1, 1. 13 plus 2, 15, 13 into 2, 26, but there is a carry of 1. So it should be 27. So like this you can try some numbers on your own. So I will give you some multiplications, you can try on your own and check. Now you can solve these questions. 51 into 41, 71 into 61, 91 into 81, 141 into 121 and so on. Now you can check these numbers on your own and try to solve it in a very simple way, which will help you in solving your problems quickly. 51 into 41, 1 into 1, 1, 5 plus 4, 9, 5 into 4, 20. 1 into 1, 1, 7 plus 6, 13, 7 into 6, 42, but there is a carry of 1, 43. 91 into 81, 1 into 1, 1, 9 plus 8, 17, there is a carry of 1, 9 into 8, 72 plus 1, 73. 141 into 121, same method. 1 into 1, 1, 14 plus 12 is 26, there is a carry of 2. Now 14 into 12, 14 into 12 is 168, 168 plus 2, 170. So like this you can multiply two numbers whose unit digit is 1. Now let's continue with the second shortcut. How to find the square of a number with unit digit as 1. Now previously we have learned how to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 1. The same logic we can apply to find the squares of numbers with unit digit as 1. Now let's see how to do it. Let's take a small example, 21 square. Now this 21 square is nothing but 21 into 21. So apply like this, 1 into 1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 into 2, 4. Now this is one way of solving it. If you want to do it directly, you can solve the problem like this. 31 square. 1 square. 1 square. 1 double this 3. That is double the number before 1. That is 3. If I double 3, it is 6. Now the number before 1 is 3. Now square it. 9. 961. Now let's take one more example. Finding out the square of 41. 41 square. 1 square. 1 double 4. 8 square 4. 16. Now here this is 1, but we find a little bit difference here, but it's the same method. 1 square 1. Now when I double 5, it is 10, but we are not going to write 10. We have to write 0 and a carry of 1. Now 5 square 25 plus 1 26. Same way 61 square, 71 square, 71 square, 81 square, 91 square. Now we, instead of writing from the last, how can we write it from the front only? Directly the answer. 6 square 36. Definitely when I double 6, there should be a carry of 1. So I add 1 to the square of 6. 6 square 36 plus 1 37, and when I double 6, the unit digit is 2 1. 3721. Now 71 square. 7 square 49. 49 plus 1 50, and when I double 7, the unit digit is 4 and 1. 81 square. 8 square 64 plus 1 65. 6 1. 91 square. 9 square 81, a carry of 1 82, and when I double 9, the unit digit is 8 and 1. So till 91 square you get like this. But if you look into the next number, 101 square, same logic, but just let's try to do it from the last and see what happens now. 1 square 1. Now what is the number before 1? It is 10. Double 10. If I double 10, it is 20. So I write 0 and a carry of 2. So square 10 now. 10 square 100. 100 plus 2 102. So it's 10201. So from 101 to 141, we get a carry of 2. So how I can write the answer directly now? Now I want 111 square. 11 square 121 plus 2 123, and when I double 11, the unit digit is 2 and 1. 1 2 3 2 1. I want 121 square. 12 square 144 plus 2 146, and when I double 12, the unit digit will be 4 and 1. 131 square. 13 square 169 plus 2 171, and when I double 13, the unit digit is 6 and 1. 141 square. 14 square is 196 plus 2 198, and when I double 14, the unit digit is 8 and 1. So like this you can find out the squares of the numbers whose unit digit is 1. Now let's learn one more technique. How to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 2. Previously we have learned how to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 1. Now let's learn how to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 2. Let's take a small example. I have to multiply 12 into 22. Now I am going to use the same logic what I have used when the unit digit is 1, when the unit digit is 2, but with a small addition to it. Now first let's multiply the unit digit. 2 into 2, 4. Now the number before 2, 1. Here the number before 2 is 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Previously when the unit digit was 1, I added directly 1 plus 2, 3. But here 1 plus 2, 3, double it, 6. Now 1 into 2, 2. So this is how you can multiply two numbers with unit digit as 2. Let's take one more example. I have to multiply 32 into 22. 2 into 2, 4. That is multiplying the unit digit. 2 into 2, 4. Now add the numbers before this unit digit. 3 plus 2, 5. Double it. When I double it, it is 10. A carry of 1. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 704. Now let's take few more examples and start solving it. 32 into 42 or 42 into 32, 52 into 72, 92 into 102 and so on. Let's check whether we can solve it quickly or not. 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, double it, 14, 1 carry, 4 into 3, 12 plus 1, 13. Now we, instead of doing like this, can we do it from the beginning? For that little bit what we need to think is, I have to add 5 and 7 and double it. Then what is the carry we get? If we know that, definitely we can tell the answer from the beginning. Now here 5 plus 7 is 12. If I double it, it is 24. That means there is a carry of 2. This if we can tell, then we can tell the answer from the beginning. Now see how I tell. 5 into 7, 35, a carry of 2. 35 and a carry of 2, 37. 5 plus 7 is 12 and when I double it, it is 24. So 4, 2 into 2, 4. That's it, your answer. Once again, let's check here. Now here I have 9 and 10. 9 plus 10 is 19 and if I double it, it is 38. So there is a carry of 3. So 9 into 10, 90 plus 3, 93 and 19 if I double it, the unit digit is 8, 2 into 2, 4. Now this is the technique you can apply to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 2. So for you to practice, you can practice some numbers. 62 into 82, 102 into 112, 82 into 72 and so on. Any two numbers with unit digit as 2. Now you just try whether you can solve it or not. Now looking into the solution. 6 plus 8 is 14 and when I double it, you get a carry of 2. So 6 into 8, 48 plus 2, 50. 6 plus 8 is 14 and when I double it, the unit digit is 2 into 2, 4. Now coming back here, 10 and 11. 10 plus 11 is 21 and when I double it, it is 42. That is, I get a carry of 4. Now 10 into 11, 110, 110 plus 4, 114 and definitely there should be a unit digit of 2 here and 2 into 2, 4. Coming here, 8 plus 7 is 15 and when I double it, there should be a carry of 3. Now 8 into 7, 56 plus 3, 59 and 15 if I double it, the unit digit is 0, 2 into 2, 4. So this is a method to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 2. Now let's go for the next shortcut. Now let us learn how to find the squares of numbers with unit digit as 2. Now previously we have learned how to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 2. The same logic we can apply here. Let's take a small example. I want to find out 12 square, which is nothing but 12 into 12. Now see how I multiply, how we multiplied. 2 into 2, 4, 1 plus 1, 2, double it, 4, 1 into 1, 1. So 12 square is 144. So instead of writing all this, that is 12 into 12 and doing all this, we can do like this. Suppose I want to find out 22 square. 2 square 4. The number before 2 is 2. The number before 2 is 2. Double it and again double it. That is, make it 4 times. 8. 2 square 4. If I want to find out 32 square, 2 square 4. 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. 1 carry. 3 square is 9 plus 1 10. 42 square. Listen carefully, it's very simple. Square the unit digit. 2 square 4. Take the number before 2, that is 4, make it 4 times. 4 into 4 16. 1 carry. 4 square 16 plus 1 17. So it's 1764. So like this we can find out the squares of the numbers whose unit digit is 2. Some examples: 62 square, 82 square, 92 square, and so on. Now 62 square, 2 square 4, 6 into 4 24, 4 and a 2 carry. 6 square 36 plus 2 38. So 3844. 82 square, 2 square 4, 8 into 4 32, 2 and a 3 carry. 8 square 64 plus 3 67. Now 92 square, 2 square 4, 9 into 4 36, 3 carry. 9 square 81, 81 plus 3 84. So this is how you can find the squares of the numbers whose unit digit is 2. By using the same logic what we have used, how to multiply two numbers with unit digit as 2. Now let's go to the next shortcut and learn some tricks to do fast calculations. How to find the squares of numbers with unit digit as 5. Now we know that 5 square is 25. Now the squares of all the numbers whose unit digit as 5 will have the last 2 digits as 25. Now 15 square, see how simple it is to calculate. Definitely the last 2 digits here should be 25. Now what is the number before 5? 1. What is the next number of 1? 2. 1 into 2. 2. So 15 square will be 225. Now I need to find out 25 square. Definitely the last 2 digits will be 25. Now the number before 5 is 2. 2 into the next number of 2. 2 into 3. Answer is 625. I want to find out 35 square. I'll start from the beginning now. 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12, 25. 45 square. 4 into 5, 20, 25. 2025. So like this you can find the squares of all the numbers whose unit digit is 5. Now let's take some examples for you to practice. 65 square, 75 square, 95 square, 105 square, 125 square, and so on. Now 65 square, directly your answer 6 multiplied by 7. 6 into the next number of 6. 6 into 7, 42. Answer 4225. See how simple it is. 75 square, 7 into 8, 56. So answer 5625. 95 square, 9 into 10, 9 into 10, 90. So 9025. Now 105 square. Now the number before 5 is 10. The next number of 10 is 11. So 10 into 11, 110. So answer 11025, that is 11,025. Now 125 square. 125 square, 12 into the next number of 12. 12 into 13. Now 12 into 13 is 156. So 15625. So this is a method to find out the squares of the numbers whose unit digit is 5. This is a method to find out the squares of the numbers whose unit digit is 5. Now let's learn one more technique here, how to multiply two numbers between 10 and 20. Because here 12 into 13. Now how quickly you can tell what is 12 into 13? You must know that. So for that, let's learn how to multiply two numbers which are between 10 and 20. Now let's multiply two numbers between 10 and 20. What is a simple method to answer this? 12 into 13. Now you can see both the numbers are between 10 and 20. Now how simple we can multiply these two numbers? Now the first step, multiply the unit digits. 2 into 3, 6. Add the first number with the unit digit of the second number. 12 plus 3, 15. So 12 into 13 is 156. Let's take some examples. Now I want to multiply 13 into 14. First step, multiply both the unit digits. 3 into 4, 12. 1 carry. 13 plus 4, 17 plus 1, 18. So it's 182. So like this you can practice on some numbers. 17 into 16, 18 into 14, 19 into 15, and so on. You can take any two numbers and you can multiply, but both the numbers should be in between 10 and 20. So you can tell the answer in seconds. 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, and so on. But you have to be good at multiplication, simple multiplication, multiplying two single digit numbers. Now 7 into 6, 42. You have a 4 carry. 17 plus 6, 23 plus 4, 27. Now 8 into 4, 32. 3 carry. 18 plus 4, 22 plus 3, 25. 9 into 5, 45. 4 carry. 19 plus 5, 24 plus 4, 28. So these are the simple techniques which we use to multiply two numbers and squares of the numbers. For more shortcuts, watch Naresh IT videos on youtube.com/NareshIT.